Okay, we're going to quickly look at creating some bookmarks or safe spots uh, where you can basically warp to in case of an emergency that is not on the direct scan line for the directional scanner. So what you need to do is, I'm just in the station here, the ISEC station, but you can do this anywhere, especially in low sec. Um, just get out, open your solar system map, which you will find on that little block on your directional scanner, which will show you this solar system view, and select any planetary item or gate that you want to warp to. Um, I'm just going to select this gate because it is convenient. And what I'm going to do just before I warp is press Ctrl B on my keyboard. This will bring up the uh, bookmark safe. I will call this safe A. And then what I want to do is select that gate where I want to warp to and warp to within, say, 100 kilometers of it. And while I'm warping, let me just grab my bookmark. You will see your ship start moving on the map. And when you start moving on the map, like for instance there, press your save and it will create a bookmark, or you can wait a little bit longer depending on the lag that you've got. So there we've created a save. I'm just going to do that again to some other point. Control B, and I am going to warp to that planet. Let me just get that screen where I can see it. And I am going to warp to, for argument's sake, that planet, warp to within 100. Let's just give it a name. SB, safe B. And I am going to warp to 100 there, warp to within 100. And when my ship gets around here, I want to submit that safe spot. So there my ship's moving, it's moving, and boom, I create the safe spot. That first one I can delete now, because I don't want that. And what I can do now is warp to the safe spot whenever I need it. If I'm in the system, let me just show you, move the map out of the way. I can right click locations and there's my safe and warp to 0. And if you follow on the map, you will see me warping to that. But now we already have one problem here. It is directly in line with a number of gates and so forth. So what I want to do is I want to warp to that spot. And there it is. And then totally out of line of any of the other warps. For instance, this gate. I want to go once again, Control B on the keyboard, and this I will call my safe 1. And what I will do is I want to warp to 100 kilometers in that one, keep my button on submit, and when it moves, when we're jumping somewhere about there, I want to make my safe. And as you can see, it's not in line with any known gate or planet to warp to directly, so they can't scan you easily. That one we can remove then, and we've got one safe spot there that we can warp to location 0. And that's how you create different safe spots in the system. and that will help you to warp to a safe place if there's any trouble and it's nowhere in line with any of the gates and so forth. So that's just a quick one there. So I hope that helps.